Hi there, here we have the 2020 on a 70 plate Toyota RAV4. I'll be walking around showing you the vehicle condition. I'll also be showing you the interior and all the controls as we go inside. So starting off at the front, as you can see, it does have the bi-xenon and LED headlights. It does have the front parking sensors. No sort of major marks or dents on the bodywork as we're going around. Alloys are also in fantastic condition with no marks around. So these are the 19-inch The car does come with full Toyota service history. Rushmores have done a full service, a full mechanical check, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. So it does also come with manufacturer's warranty. It has been fitted with a ghost alarm and a tracker fitted inside the vehicle as well. So it is keyless entry and keyless go. We have currently turned off the keyless entry option, so it is a lot safer at the moment, but that can obviously switch over to keyless entry as well. So the great thing is obviously you have the option to do that. As I say, obviously having the ghost alarm and the tracker fitted as well is a good benefit on it. It does have the Isofix as well on board. Full leather seats. It does have the electric tailgate as well. Does have the privacy glass. It is pet free and smoke free, so no sort of funny odours in the vehicle. Driver's door now. So driver's door does have the electric memory seat adjusted. Obviously the passenger does also have the memory the electric seat, but it's not memory. It does also have the lumbar support, front and rear electric windows which can be controlled by the driver. You have your electric folding door mirrors as well. Now this does have the electric heated steering wheel, heated windscreen, auto main beam lights as well, so it knows when to turn it on. Now it does have the leather multifunctional steering wheel. As I mentioned, it is a heated steering wheel, which is fantastic. You have your cruise control on this side, and you have your radio buttons and trip computer on this side here. Now it does have the auto lights and auto wipers, so the car is currently on. I have actually put the ghost alarm code in, so now I am able to obviously start my journey. So if I put the car in reverse, you have your rear camera which is activated, so front and rear sensors as well as your rear camera on this car. Putting it back in park just takes us back onto the screen, back to where we need to be on. So it does have the touchscreen sat nav built in, so very nice and easy to work with. You just go onto the search bar just there and you enter your postcode or the street, wherever it is you need to go, it will take you. So very nice and easy to work with. Go back to the home page and you can go onto Bluetooth, phone and audio as well. So actually we can go on phone just here, so you can see you've got it on the buttons or on the screen. So this is the previous on their previous phones. Go back onto the menu, go onto the phone. If you go onto your settings onto Bluetooth, you are able to connect it, and then once it's connected, any phone calls that come through you'll be able to answer or decline them, and it will also be able to play music through your phone as well, which is quite good. It does have the audio, so if we go on there, it does have a Bluetooth, as you can see. It does have the Apple CarPlay, Apple Android Auto as well, DAB radio on board, FM and AM, as you can see. Moving on down below, it does have the front demister, rear demister. As you can see just here, you have your AC button as well. So if we stick this on, there we go, we can adjust this. It does have the dual climate control. Moving on down below, it does have the heated seats, so driver's side and front passenger heated seats. So let's just turn this off, just because I don't want the air to be blowing onto the microphone. It does have the traction control button just here, auto hold, electric parking brake. It does have eco, normal and sports mode, and you obviously have the EV mode as well. So it does have the 2 cup holders, does have the leather armrest on board as well. It does have 2 USB slots, does have the bit of storage underneath the armrest, and then you also have another little bit just there that could be left for coins or little items. In the glove box, it does have the locking wheel nut, as you can see. My favourite bit is actually the dash. It is a very nice design, and you've got the nice stitching all around it as well, which is great. It is all nice and clean. Right, so you've seen the vehicle interior and exterior. If there is any further questions or you need finance arranging, then please don't hesitate to give us a call, as we're more than happy to help and answer any of your questions. Alright, thanks for watching.